January 1st. Shh, shh. What the fuck is that? Hey, what is that shit?
It's a dog, man. Vamos a sacar.
Hey, come here, come here. Come here. Sound like someone fucking yelling. Shh. What the fuck is that? Hey, just climb up in there, nigga. No tienes miedo, güey. Dude, I can't see nothing from here. Hey, let's walk over there. Come on, come on. Sounds like a little girl, cabrón. That shit was right there too, right? It was right there. Right?
Check the fuck out of me, bro.
What was that shit? Hey, what was that? Let's go. Alright, so we're in.
Holy shit, it was just fucking.
Hey, remember the plunger? Hey, remember the plunger?
Dude, I just caught that shit on fucking video. What was that?
Orbs.
There was like a fucking eye right, like it looked like an eye.
Never seen.
I knew it.
Ese güey tiene demonio en la cabeza, el güey.
Oh, what a thing. You're the one that fucking believe in God, asshole.
You hear this? You hear this, nigga? ¿Qué, güey? Me vas a creer todo, güey. If I tell you fucking fly, nigga, you can tell me I can fly.
Like an eye or something. Cause look, like right there, bright ass eye. Look, it's there in my hand.
That shit was trippy, dude, right?
Right there, look.
Fucked up.